Hello everyone, welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional of the weekend edition Saturday, Sunday, March the 31st, 2024. It's actually today, Monday, Monday, Easter Monday, the second Easter day. And today on Monday we have no newspaper. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. And I've already solved 3 puzzles. The previous one is the letter Sudoku. So we have 2 puzzles left. The jigsaw Sudoku and the 2 Stars Sudoku. Is this really a 2 stars? No. Well, this one will be number 8288. This is not a 2 stars because this one has 31 printed digits. That's a lot. Should be a 0 stars. Puzzle. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14 or 30 minutes. But it's indicated with 2 stars. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 2 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? Well, we don't know. We will see. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about there's a lot of 8s. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next down, need to place level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there, 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so in the last column. Only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there, 8 in the second row, no 8 there. Only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the row below, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright, and now. Now, let me see. How about 3. Well, 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3. Cannot continue with 3. How about the 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 7. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the third column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in the last row, the 1 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright. 4. Okay. And now, how about 4 here? Need a 9 here. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this second row for the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column only place level 6 should be there. 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, no. Need 2 places left. 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Well, 7. How about 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left of 4 is should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 4. Alright. And now let me see. 2 numbers left in this row. The last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Here 2 numbers left in this row. I think the same numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 5 and the 9. We have a 5 now in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this column. For number 1, the 2 is missing. Then we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only place left, the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 2. Alright, 1 box left in the middle column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Here also the same numbers, 3 and the 6. Well, we have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And here, 7 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the amount 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Wow, cannot believe this. Told you 31 printed digits cannot be a 2 stars, not be a 1 star. Should be a 0 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.